Happy Thanksgiving to all my American friends and family down there. It is November 26th, 2020, and this video is to answer everyone's question, what do I think the market's going to do and where the economy is going? As you guys know, I am a day trader, so I do get to look at the markets day to day and see how it's all moving and correlating. And my overall feeling is we're 100% approaching overbought territory where we're going to see a trend reversal. We're going to see a downtrend here real soon. Looking at unemployment numbers are skyrocketing. I mean, we're approaching 1929 unemployment numbers. Interest rates are at zero. We can't really adjust that any further. Housing prices are high. And most of all, the multiplier on stocks are getting to be in, an absolutely insane evaluation of 30 times. And we've seen that, of course, in the roaring 20s, where they got all the way up to 50 times multipliers in some stocks overall. So those are the things you want to look at. I think that there's much more room on the downside than the upside. I think we're approaching, the last months, maybe even the last year of growth. Going forward, I think we're going to see a 10-year, maybe let's just round it, 5 to 10 years of a negative growth on stocks. We're going to see a booming commodity market in my mind. Commodities have been kind of resting quietly for the last 10 years, and we're going to see them just explode. So gold values, silver, gold, all that stuff going up probably through the roof and be the next bubble, right? Like everything else, we always overdo it. But yeah, so that's kind of where I see the market going. I would be very cautious. If you're long on things, I'd set your stop losses. Even if you're into mutual funds and things like that, ride those stop losses very close to, where you're at. That's going to make sense for you to, get out at. So if the market does come down and we crash by a 10% in a day, or even a, 20% over a month or so, that you're going to get out safely on your positions. If you are long on them. So currently I did have my trading bots, they're kind of set up now to go short on the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones. So we'll see how that plays out. I might be waiting a year. Maybe I'm too early, I'm not sure. Leave a comment below if you want to predict when this bubble's going to burst. Leave it below. I'll give $100 to the closest person who picks the date. I'm going to go with mid-January. So I'm going to say January 15th. I don't know if that's a weekday or a holiday, so whatever day is closest to that is my pick. But like I said, I could be a little bit early, but I definitely do think that the growth side now is the probability is much less than the downside, and the return is going to be much more limited. Going forward, maybe at best 10% return on the upside, but the downside you'd have a much greater return. So I'd be very cautious. I think we're going into interesting times, and we're going to see where this market kind of ends up. Again, leave your comment below, predict that date, and we'll give you some money.